Good morning. This is Ravi. I have total of 10 years of experience in Pega and 4 years of experience into Pega decisioning and Pega marketing. So I will be the decisioning trainer for this course, and we will be having this course for 40 hours, daily 1 hour, morning 7:30 to 8:30, and probably this course we might change the timings based on your convenience. And this course happens from Monday to Friday, daily 1 hour. You will be getting every day recordings, you will be getting the PPTs, you will be getting the certification dumps and also projects at the end of the course. Every weekend on Friday you will be getting the assignments which you can practice as per the week course that we have seen. That assignment will contain some exercises for you to practice and follow the content practically. So this course also helps you to cover both Pega decisioning and Pega marketing. Both decisioning and marketing topics are involved, and we will be seeing them thoroughly using practical scenarios and real-time examples. Okay, and I am CPDC certified. This course will guarantee you 100% to complete Pega decisioning certification, that is the PCDC 8.7. We will be learning 8.7 directly in this course. Okay, so this is about me and what benefits you get from this course. Okay, so I want someone to start. And why do you want to learn CPDC? What is your objective? Yeah, guys. Okay, so here if you just see this curriculum, so this is the curriculum that we are going to follow throughout the course. Basically what we will be planning is we will structure this course by covering Pega decisioning topics first. So first we'll be going through the Pega decisioning topics like strategies, models, what is the adaptive model, predictive model, what is Cassandra database, and we will be covering the decisioning topics for around 15 days. And after that we will be starting the Pega marketing topics. Okay, so first we'll start Pega decisioning and then we'll go for Pega marketing. After the Pega marketing topics are completed, then we will be seeing the POC scenarios. So the POC scenarios, what we'll do there is we will be learning the scenarios, practical live examples by taking the real-time examples, and we will be building that in the strategy and all that. So this will be there for 1 week. Okay, the POC scenarios will be running for around 1 week. So this is how the structure of this course is, and by the time you do POC you can start writing the certification as well. So we have agent as well who can help you to clear the certification and get you started with the Pega CPDC projects. I will also provide you like 3 days of job support once you get into any project, which is included with this course. And this course you will have demo sessions for next 3 days, that is starting from today, day after tomorrow and day after tomorrow. You will be having the demo sessions, and by Monday you need to enroll to this course. Okay, so 3 days will be the demo sessions only. So that's what I want to convey. And just I want to see. Okay, so let us start then. So first of all, uh, what is meant by NBA? So let us start with the decisioning, which I told you. Like we'll start with decisioning. So what is meant by NBA? NBA stands for next best action. So NBA stands for next best action. Next best action means any customer. So it's simply we can give it a definition like next best action means the right offer to the right customer at a right time. The entire decisioning and marketing is completely main objective is to increase the business sales, to increase the business reputation, to increase the business revenue. Okay, so for that purpose we will be using this decisioning and marketing. Here we have two terms called NBA, NBO. NBA stands for next best action, which means the right offer to the right customer at right time. So let us say a customer bought a laptop. Now the business has to promote some product related to laptop, like a laptop bag, or let us say a charger for that particular laptop. So these kind of offers, we call them as next best actions, which means they are very relevant, very targeted, and most important for that particular customer. So different customers will have different next best actions. Okay, different customers will have different next best actions. So this is actually the Pega decisioning framework. And now why do we need to use next best action? So every business try to improve their customer value and maximize the revenue by increasing the sales. Providing the best offer to the customer can significantly improve the revenue. So instead of promoting, let's say I already have a personal loan and the bank which I'm using is promoting a personal loan to my email, which I don't even need that personal loan. That is not considered as a next best action. Let us say I am looking for a personal loan and the bank understood that this customer needs personal loan and it promotes personal loan, then that is the next best action, which is the right offer to the right customer at right time. So how does next best action is provided to the customer? The Pega CDH framework uses strategies, models in order to generate the next best action. So what is the purpose of two frameworks? What does the two frameworks do? Like I was telling you, we have Pega decisioning framework, Pega marketing framework. The Pega decisioning framework complete goal is to generate the next best action. Whatever the features which are there in Pega decisioning, those features are used only to generate the next best action. So like you say, strategies, models, data sets, and Pega marketing main goal is to deliver the next best action that is generated by the Pega decisioning to the customer. So let's say if you are using only Pega decisioning, you cannot send that offer to the customer effectively. Okay, so Pega decisioning job is only to generate what is the next best action for this particular customer, but it does not have the features to send them to the customer on an effective basis. Sending that to the customer effectively, okay, like okay, today I sent one laptop bag, the customer did not reply, then we need to contact after 2 days or 3 days later, and if the customer is still not replying, we can just add the customer to the later list. Like that, all these kind of features will be there in Pega marketing. Okay, Pega marketing goal is to send these next best actions to the customer in an effective manner. So that is the primary difference between Pega decisioning and Pega marketing. So you will come to know when we are seeing the live topics at the time. So if you see here, if you just take some sample example, in the first image, there is some Pega decisioning logic is already there in the first image. In the second image, the customer is visiting the business website. So whenever the customer is visiting the website, the strategy is triggered and strategy identified one offer for this customer. Then in the fourth icon, that offer is sent to the customer and customer is happy and he is making the purchase. In the fifth icon, we are tracking that interaction to the customer and we are actually storing that this customer has taken this offer. Okay, so in the fifth icon. In the next icon, whenever the customer is visiting in the future, we already have that, okay, this customer already bought a laptop. Now we will recommend something related to that, something like a laptop bag in a polite manner, right? So this is how the next best action example is there. Okay, first we have the logic. Customer is visiting the website. The logic is triggering one offer. Customer is buying that offer. The interaction history is tracking what the customer has bought. And if the same customer is coming in the future, we will promote him something related to what he bought before, because we know what kind of products he will buy. So this kind of simple example I am showing you how the journey happens for a particular customer. So again, we'll see practically how it implements and all that. So just to extend the differences between Pega decisioning and Pega marketing, it is up to you, whichever is your interest. You can go to either Pega decisioning or Pega marketing. So what is the difference between Pega decisioning and Pega marketing? Like I told you, first example, the features that are there in Pega decisioning is used only for generating the next best action. We cannot use the Pega decisioning for delivering the next best action. The features that are there in Pega marketing are used only to deliver the next best action. When I say deliver, I mean like sending through email, sending through SMS, sending through push notification. Those features are there in Pega marketing. But which offer is suitable for which customer, that is not present in marketing, that is present in decisioning. Okay, so logic identification, the NBA identification is done here. NBA delivery will be done in the marketing. So what all features that are used to generate means strategies, models, data sets. These are used to generate the next best action. In marketing, campaigns, actions, real-time container, these are used to send the next best action. Here we call the next best actions as propositions. In marketing, we call the next best actions as actions. Okay, portal is same portal called customer decision hub. So again, we will be seeing more about customer decision hub. So this is the same portal which is called customer decision hub. So within the customer decision hub only, both Pega decisioning and Pega marketing will work. Okay, so that is still here, and fine. Now coming to the certification. So before Pega 8, we used to have two separate certifications. One is marketing consultant, second is decisioning consultant. But after Pega 8, both Pega marketing and Pega decisioning are combined together. Okay, they are combined together into a single certification which is called PCDC. That stands for Pega certified decisioning consultant, and this is the link where you can actually see the PCDC curriculum. You can also go through the curriculum which I showed you. It is up to 8.7 standards. We will be learning the latest version, that is 8.7. Whatever the latest features are there, all of them will be seeing. So that is the difference between decisioning and marketing, what certification we will be writing, and what are the differences that we have. Now coming to 8.7, there are some very new features which are introduced in 8.7, which are called as one-to-one customer engagement. What is one-to-one customer engagement? So previously we used to do one-to-many customer engagement. That means, for example, I have two products. I am promoting these two products to 2000 customers. Out of 2000 customers, only 1500 customers might be eligible. The remaining customers are not eligible. So we are removing those 500 customers from our list previously. But now Pega is giving some features and some mechanisms to target those not eligible customers also in a different manner, so that every customer will receive at least one offer. That is called as one-to-one customer engagement. Each customer will have at least one offer, and that is what you can achieve using the CDH. Okay, this is what you can achieve using the CDH. So just a pictorial representation for you so that you can understand what are the capabilities of CDH. So just consider this human brain as CDH. CDH means Customer Decision Hub Portal. This CDH takes input about the customer. It needs entire information about the customer. What is his name? What is his age? His salary? When did he join the company? What product did he purchase? When did he purchase those products? Every single information you need to provide to the CDH. Then based on what he has bought, when he has bought, what is his interests, everything will be analyzed by the brain. And as part of analysis, these all things are done. The interaction history, predictive analytics, adaptive analytics, text analytics, centralized decision strategies, personalized actions, and consistent across all channels. So the CDH is capable of doing all these things provided you give every single information about the customer. The more the information you give to the CDH, the better the offers it will recommend to you. The output of the CDH is next best actions. You can see here, right? The output of the CDH is next best actions. The input is the data about customer. The output is the next best actions. So this is how the CDH works, the centralized brain. Yeah, any questions still here for you guys? For anyone, any questions still here? Okay, fine. Let us go to the next slide, which is called the overview of portals. So we will be seeing what are the list of portals which are there. So the first major portal that we have is Customer Decision Hub. So like I was telling you, CDH means Customer Decision Hub Portal. The Customer Decision Hub Portal is a centralized brain which contains all the decisioning and marketing features, where the Customer Decision Hub expects the input about the customer and provides the next best actions using all these features. Okay, using all these features, it will provide the output. This is the same portal for both Pega Decisioning and Pega Marketing. So we will be seeing that shortly, and this is also same thing. Next portal that we will be seeing is Prediction Studio. So the Customer Decision Hub is a portal where you see mainly about the decisioning features and marketing features. But the Prediction Studio is like a decisioning analytics portal. When I say analytics, what is meant by analytics? It means this particular portal contains some features which are used to analyze the customer responses. For example, a customer has recently purchased iPhone from your shop. He purchased iPhone from your shop. This information is given to the model which will analyze why this customer has bought the iPhone. What is his profile? What is the reason for buying? Will a similar customer in future he will also buy or not? All this kind of analysis will be done by the models which are created in Prediction Studio. The Prediction Studio is completely like a decisioning analytics portal, which is used only for analysis and provide some recommendations and provide some suggestions to the strategy. So this kind of analysis features are there in the Prediction Studio. So these two portals we will be primarily covering in our course. The first portal is Customer Decision Hub. Second portal is Prediction Studio. Okay. Next, we have one more thing that is called Next Best Action Advisor, but we will not be covering this. What is this Next Best Action Advisor? So some of you might already worked on Pega Customer Service. So what do we do in Pega Customer Service? We will talk to the customers. Customers will talk to us. Inbound calls, outbound calls. So whenever, if you observe, sometimes we have a scenario like, for example, the customer is not able to pay the bill. What the customer will do? The customer will call to the customer care and he will say, I am not able to pay the bill. The customer care representative, he will help the customer to make the payment. After his job is done, he will try to recommend, sir, you are already on 10 Mbps mobile data plan. You are using every month more than 10 Mbps. I recommend you to upgrade to 20 Mbps. So this is something which will be shown to the customer care representative on his portal. Okay, this customer is eligible for these three offers, these two offers, which will be coming from the Pega marketing portal, that is a CDH. So this Next Best Action Advisor is like a integration system between Pega marketing and Pega customer service. If you want to integrate Pega CDH with Pega customer service, you have to use Next Best Action Advisor. Then whatever the offers that are coming from the Pega CDH, those offers will be going to customer service portal. So that is this thing, but you can actually go through that through the guides later. Okay. So coming to this inbound versus outbound marketing. So again, I was telling you about marketing. As part of marketing, what I told you that which is used to effectively deliver the offers to the customer. The marketing is divided into two things. The first one is inbound marketing. Second one is outbound marketing. So what is meaning of inbound marketing and outbound marketing? See, inbound marketing means the customer is contacting the business for some purpose and the business is promoting some offers. Just the example which I told you just now. The customer is contacting the customer care, that is the business, because he is having some issue while paying the bill. After his issue is resolved, the business is promoting something else to the customer. This kind of marketing is called as inbound marketing. So one more example I can give you, that is the retail. For example, you are going to some supermarket like DMart or Ratnadeep. So you go there and you are buying some groceries. Okay, you are buying some groceries. After that, the person who is there at the desk, he will take your mobile number and he will sometimes tell you that, okay, we have 20% discount on this particular food products. We have 10% discount on this particular groceries. So this is called as inbound marketing. The customer is only contacting the business, then the business is then promoting to the customer. The business no need to go to the customer is only coming to them. So all this kind of marketing, we call it as inbound marketing. So in Pega, we have 3 channels that will support inbound marketing. First one is retail. Retail means just now what I told you, right? That is called as retail. See, because you are going to the supermarket and you are buying some groceries, whoever the person is taking your bill, he will have some software installed in his system. That software will recommend this customer this product, because every time you go, they will ask your mobile number, so that with that mobile number they will understand what products you bought before, what did you buy before, what we can promote to them. So this is the concept of retail. Second we have is contact center. Contact center, just now I told you, customer is calling to the customer care, that is inbound call, and the customer care is promoting some offer, that is the contact center channel. Third one is website. You are opening the website, for example, you want to get some information about a particular product on Google. Okay, you need some information about a particular product, like you want to buy some flat and you have opened some real estate website. So after going to the website is promoting something else like a villa or something like that. So you are only opening the website. The website will not come and open to you. You will only go and open the website. So this is the inbound marketing. Second, outbound marketing, as usual, general marketing, which we know, that is business will contact the customer through email, SMS, push notification, etc. Customer is not contacting the business. Business is contacting the customer. Okay, so these are the 2 types of marketing which is there in the Pega marketing: inbound marketing, outbound marketing. Yeah, as usual, marketing is efforts are very less right here, because this DMart or Ratnadeep, all these companies are already established, so you don't need much efforts to get new customers and all that. customers will automatically form because they are only coming. But here more marketing effort is needed because you are doing outbound, and you might need to send multiple emails, organized emails, so then only the customer will convert into purchase. So more effort is needed here. Okay, so these are the differences between the inbound and outbound marketing here. Okay, so then next thing, CDH practice. So how do we practice the Pega CDH? So I was telling you, just I'm giving you the overview, complete overview, just to reiterate what we have seen. The Pega CDH is divided into two things: the decisioning, marketing. In the decisioning, what we do is we will generate what is the next best action. In Pega marketing, we will send this next best action to the customer in an effective manner. Next thing, we have two certifications before. Right now we have only one, that is PCDC certification. Next is we have two portals that we will cover in this course. First portal is Customer Decision Hub. Second portal is Prediction Studio. In the Customer Decision Hub, we will do both decisioning and marketing. In Prediction Studio, it is a decisioning analytics portal which is used for analysis of what customers have bought. That analysis will be done in the Prediction Studio. Then we have two types of marketing: inbound marketing, outbound marketing. Inbound marketing means customer is only going to the business, then the business will promote. Outbound marketing means customer will not go to the business, the business is only contacting the customer. That is outbound marketing. So then coming to the practice, how do I practice? So previously we used to have the CDH installed in personal edition, but it is not working properly. We are getting some dependencies error. So what we recommend is to use the Pega Cloud Edition. That means I will share you one cloud link. So let me open that for you here. So this is the link that you can see. I am pasting this link in the chat. Everyone please access that link right now. Open that link in your system, and what you have to do is you have to log into the Pega using your Pega PDN ID. So log into the Pega, open this particular link. Okay, you open this particular link, and so once you open, you will be so once you open, you will be getting this kind of screen, so which you are seeing on the screen. You need to select here 8.7. okay, select here 8.7, then you just scroll down. After you scroll down, here you have the button that is called wake up the Pega instance. So after you log in, only this button will come. So first you log in. After you log in, you will get one option called wake up the Pega instance. So what this will do is this will prepare the Pega cloud in the backend for you to start. So every time you have to do the same thing. Go to this link, click on launch Pega, wait for 5 to 10 minutes. It will start the Pega CDH for you. Within 5 minutes, you can open that and you can start practicing. Only thing that you have to take care is every 2 days you take a backup. Okay, every 2 days you take a backup. That means you have to export the package. I'll show you how to do that also, but only that thing is needed. Apart from that, nothing else is needed. You have to take a backup of what you have done. Okay, so you see now I get this thing, launch Pega instance. Click on this button. So it will take few minutes sometimes, and you have to wait for that. That after that you will get 3 icons like this. What you have to do is click on this first icon. this will open the CDH for you. So I just enter here Pega Decisioning Architect, password is rules. Okay, Pega Decisioning Architect, password is rules. I'm just sending this login to you in the chat. Please save this detail somewhere. Operator ID is Decisioning Architect, password is rules. So just store this credential somewhere in the notepad or something, and every time you log in, you have to log in with the same details. So let us wait for 2 minutes, and so this might be slow, but you have to bear with that. Okay, yeah. So now welcome to the customer decision hub. This is our customer decision hub, which we will be going through our entire course, the entire curriculum. Okay, yeah. So we will start learning this portal from tomorrow, and any questions till here till today, like you have something. So one more thing I want to tell you, the mandatory requirement for all of you to learn CPDC is everyone should be CSA certified. If you are already into the job, that is fine. But if you want to get a new job, definitely the company will ask you whether did you complete the CSA certification or not. You have to complete at least CSA certification. 99% of time, the companies will ask you whether you are CSA or not. Otherwise, they might not take you. So please complete your junior level certification, that is the Pega CSA. If you have not yet completed, please start parallelly learning CSA. Okay, so that is required, that is mandatory for many of the companies. Okay, yeah, so that is the one thing which I want to tell you. Okay, any questions from anyone, any doubts before we close this for today? Just I want to
Yes,
give, yeah.
I was having one doubt. For example, I'm having Personal Edition installed into my laptop. So does PCDC is also having any application which we can install or any component?
No, right now we don't have that.
Okay.
You have to learn
So
from cloud only.
cloud only. Okay.
Cloud only.
And how what will be the duration of the course?
Yeah, duration of the course is 40 hours. Okay,
40 hours.
40 hours.
Okay.
So every day 1 hour, Monday to Friday.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. So like again, I was telling you, you will get the recordings, you will get the PPTs, you will get the assignments every weekend. You will get the job support for 3 days. That means 3 hours. And you will also be getting the projects that you can keep in the resume. You will be 100% certification guarantee is there, because we have the agent who will help you to clear the certification. All these are part of this course. Okay. Okay, so looking forward to see you all. From tomorrow onwards, we will start the practical sessions. Like practically, we will see how to implement something and how to start something. So let us join the same time, 7:30, and start the practical implementation for CDH.